Here's why free pressure washing advice can become expensive. There's plenty of free pressure washing advice online. Someone could spend weeks or even months watching YouTube videos, searching through old posts, and asking questions in Facebook groups. The challenge is knowing which advice is accurate, which advice is outdated, and which techniques are safe for particular surfaces. The information is often scattered across hundreds of conversations. One person might recommend a process while someone else does the exact opposite. A beginner is left trying to decide which answer they can trust, usually without enough experience to actually recognize the differences. Free advice might save you money up front, but bad information can become expensive very quickly. One damaged roof, a stained surface, a dead landscape, or even a lost customer can cost far more than a professional training cost would. Free advice might save money up front, but bad information can become expensive very quickly. Time also has value. Every month spent sorting through conflicting information is another month that could have been spent completing jobs and even building your business. How to Wash 2 organizes the information into one structured pressure washing training program.
You like the wheels better?
Yeah. Instead of trying to assemble a business from disconnected tips.